All right, hi everyone. My name is Miss Lily. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about my autobiography. So here's a picture of me. My name is Miss Lily, like I just said. I'm just going to take you through kind of where I grew up, my family, my pets, and all that fun stuff. So to begin, I grew up in Southern Oregon. This is a picture of the Illinois River. I'm just going to kind of click through. I grew up in Ashland, Oregon. This is just some nature kind of stuff around. It's a really small town. I loved growing up there. That's where the Oregon Shakespeare Festival is, which is how most people would know where it is. This is a picture of my family. These are all my grandparents, my aunts, my uncles, my cousins, all that fun stuff. So this is a picture of us a couple years back. I'm going to just kind of click through some more pictures with my family. I have 3 brothers. 2 are older and 1 is younger. We're all really close. And then my mom is in some of these pictures here. I have 6 little cousins who are all either 8 years old or younger. They're all really great. All right, now I'm going to tell you about my pet. So my dog right there, her name is Montana. She's 2 years old. She is adorable, a little bit of a goofball. And then I have 3 chickens there. Their names are Reba, Patsy, and Dolly. They're precious. They're just little babies. Here's my brother's dog. Her name is Belle. And then another picture of Montana there in my bed. Just gonna kind of click through here. Oops, that was my cat named Felix. He's an outdoor kitty. And I'm going to tell you about why I chose Western Washington. So here's a picture of my grandpa with the shirt I gave him when I got accepted. I love Bellingham. It's obviously beautiful. This is a picture from my dorm. And I wanted to be a teacher, and I knew that Western had a great teaching program. And so I decided to come here, and I'm really happy I made that decision. And I've met just like the most amazing people and had the most amazing professors, and I feel like I've learned so much, and I'm really happy to be here. So thanks for listening. That's my autobiography.